How to share video from YouTube to any platform. Hello guys, this is me again. In this video I will show you how to share video on easy way. We go first on YouTube and now we go to this icon, share. We will see many options. We can share in Facebook, in group Facebook, in chat, in WhatsApp, email, Bluetooth, Telegram, and many options. Now we can use the first way. We copy the link and we paste to anyone. We paste the link to anyone and we can share with the another and we can share it in this application. This is all for this video. Subscribe and don't forget like.